In this video, I'll show you how to play Forsaken on PC. The process is simple, so follow along. Forsaken is available anywhere Roblox works, PC, mobile, and consoles. To play on PC, open the Roblox launcher and search for Forsaken. Since it's a very popular game, it should appear immediately. It currently has around 2.7 billion visits. Look for Forsaken by the Forsaken dev team and choose to join either a public server or create your own private one. The game is built around two roles, killers and survivors. As a killer, your goal is to hunt down every survivor. As a survivor, your job is to stay alive and avoid the killer for as long as possible. You'll have multiple killers and survivors to pick from, each with their own abilities and stats. You start with Chandling, Sky, Noob, and Elliot as survivors, and Slasher or Jason as killers. You can buy more characters in the shop where you'll see their price, skills, and other details. Once purchased, you can select them during matches. There are also plenty of settings you can adjust before playing, so it's worth checking those out. As long as you join the game through the Roblox player on any platform, you'll be able to play normally. The gameplay is the same everywhere, you just join and choose to play as either a killer or a survivor.